I would say that my experience at the Centre for Constitutional Rights has affected my career aspirations. It's made me more in sync with my underlying moral commitments to social justice law and human rights law. And I think these positions that you go to with the internship, it's surprising how much trust they place in you, and when they do place that trust in you, it's a feeling unlike any other.
The internship affected my career goals in that it strengthened my resolve to pursue development work in the future and to pursue working with people. It definitely encouraged me to see how the law works actually in action on the ground within small communities, large communities. If you're out there and you're working with people, at least you're doing something, and that really has encouraged me to pursue that in my future work.
The most significant memory I've had from the Toxic Tour was meeting 3 generations of people with cancer, and they've put their faith in the legal system and hopefully it goes in their favour, and they seem to be willing to fight this for as long as they are able, and that was really impressive. It's hard to measure the value of completing a global internship. It definitely bridges the gap between what you do at university and how human rights law appears on the ground and towards the affected people. It goes a long way beyond anything you can take out of a book.
I expected that I would be working more on individual refugee cases, which has been my experience in Australia, but I found once I got there I was working on international policy law reform and lobbying efforts, and I found that really interesting. It's not the kind of opportunity that you generally have as a law student in Australia, so it was really great.
I expected to have a stronger internship program, and I guess I was very happy to find out the Department of Foreign Affairs is very open to individual interns having individual experiences, by which I mean they're quite happy for you to follow your own interests, to find an area of expertise, depending on what's going on at the time, of course, that you're there, and then to follow that through and do your research in that area and focus on that area, if you like. But of course, you have to be open to doing the kind of work that the team at the mission needs you to do as well.